What's up everyone? I'm Kevin with HaloLifts. Today we're going to talk about our entry-level kit and what's all included in the kit. So our entry-level kit includes front coilovers, 2-inch shock diameter. These are adjustable from 2 to 3 inches of height for your truck. Now, when you order the entry-level kit, we'll preset them at 2 inches. So if you do not want them preset at 2 inches, you want them set at 2.5, please leave that in the comments and we will accommodate any height you would like these adjusted before we ship them off. But like I said, these come preset at 2 inches for the entry-level kit. Also in this kit comes with the 2-inch rear shock. When you install these rear shock, you would do the logo up with the boot down. Both of these are fully rebuildable. Also included in the kit is the spanner wrench and Allen key to adjust them. I know a lot of companies don't include the spanner wrench. You have to spend more money on top of the kit. We're not like that. We include the spanner wrench and the Allen key so you can adjust them, so you can get it perfectly level or have a little rake wherever you would like the coilovers to preset at. Now, an option on the entry-level kit is the cast and camber kit. You may or may not know what the cast and camber kit is. The cast and camber kit helps your alignment get back to spec easier because it allows more movement of your lower A arms. So when you install kits, you want more movement to accommodate different wheels and tires, obviously accommodating the lift that you installed. These are a perfect addition. Like I said, that's an option just to help get your alignment back into spec. If you have any questions about any of our kits, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks.